I don't promise that I won't miss it. Can you hear this at all? The guitar?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus, you're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders, you've garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile. You've all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the two of you, I'd choose the seasick crocodile. You're a rotter, Mr. Grinch. You're the king of sinful stars. Your heart's a dead tomato splotched with purple moldy spots, Mr. Grinch. Your soul is an appalling dump heap overflowing with the most disgraceful assortment of deplorable rubbish imaginable, mangled up in tangled up knots. You nauseate me, Mr. Grinch, with a noxious supernoise. You're a crooked jerky jockey and you ride a crooked horse, Mr. Grinch. You're a three-decker sauerkraut and toadstool sandwich with arsenic sauce.